Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So this video, I'm kicking off this video. I'm in the living room right now. I just got the turbo delivered, so I just got the new one and just doing a little unboxing. I already take off this top piece already, so here's the new turbo right here, and they package turbo very nice. Alright, just like that. We got the hot side right here, but I don't think I'm gonna use that. I'm probably gonna use the other one that I got with the wastegate already on it, on the housing. There you go, brand new turbo. Been waiting on this for a hot minute, man. And I also probably changed the front housing too, so most likely I'm gonna change this and just keep these just for like spare parts. Also come with a gasket.
Infinity Q60, twin tube, a V6.
No pussy test, not even a vagina. Plain engine and I'll be my feet pilot. BBL kit that tick like Thailand. Just drop it, whip, tell it, roll and pipe that. 7.6 story.
Okay guys, so this is the back housing I was telling y'all about. It was like on this turbo right here. So this was the first one. So I'm just gonna use this back housing. So this was in this one, but I fucked up the oil feed part right there, so that's why I bought this new one. And also I went ahead and bought this too, but I was trying to like transfer the cartridge, but that shit wasn't fitting this one. So this one is a little bit too big, so I have this one up for sale. So let me know if y'all need a turbo, and it's a T3. So here's the new one. I got the back housing in this. It's a T3 also, but it fits in this, so that's the good part. So this one, I'm gonna take the cartridge off of this one and put it back on this, and then use this face and just keep this for spare parts. And probably when I have time, I'll probably try to like cut off back this part for the oil feed and then redo it. So make sure y'all like, comment and subscribe, and stay tuned. Make sure y'all watch the full video, because we're gonna install the turbo. Alright guys, so what I'm gonna do right now, I already put in the oil feed right there. I put a little Teflon tape, got a little bit right here, so I put a little bit on it, and then I tighten it with the spanner right here. Tighten it with that. I didn't over tighten it like the other one. I didn't over tighten it, so right now it's good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take off this new face right here, and then I'm gonna put on this one. It's the same thing, it's just like different style blade. See, that one got the 9 blade, and this one got the 6 blade. But it's the same size turbo, same everything. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna swap it over to that, and then I'm gonna pick up at the camera. Alright guys, so I'm downstairs right now. I'm just putting in the turbo. I already catch the bolts on the there already. So right now I'm just adjusting the wastegate. I'm just kind of like tightening it and set it how I want it. And also got a brand new turbo blanket right there, my downpipe and everything right over there. So I'm just buttoning up some of the lines and all of that, and clamp right here. So I got that to like button up, and probably 2 more screws right there that should go on the turbo right there. And then we're gonna put on back the downpipe and the pipe for the wastegate. Alright, so everything is buttoned up right now except this coupler right here. I just gotta like pull it up a little bit and then tighten it, and then we're gonna do our oil change, and then we're gonna start it on the new turbo. Alright guys, so I'm under the car right now. I'm just doing an oil change, but I'm just draining this oil. It's a brand new oil. I just run it for like a couple days on the new turbo, so now I'm just changing it out because I don't like this oil, so I'm gonna put a different brand. So this was a 10W30 from the orange bottle or red bottle. Got it from Advanced Auto, but that oil is garbage, so I don't recommend that oil. Alright, so I just started with the new turbo. Got probably some water drying off or some old oil, because I put some water in the reservoir right here. Turbo spooling, letting the old oil burn off real quick. With I got the new turbo blanket. So if y'all reach this far into the video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And we're gonna do the first drive for the new turbo in the next video. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.